In this video, we show how to replace the Riser 3E OCP in a PowerEdge R770AP. Before working inside the system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect the system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. With the cover removed, to remove the OCP in Riser 3, pull back on the latch and remove the cover, then lift the blue latch and then slide the OCP out of the relay system. To install the OCP, align it with the system and slide it all the way in until fully seated, and then press down on the blue latch and then replace the cover and snap it down into place. For more information about the PowerEdge R770AP, visit dell.com/support.